Okay, students, let's start with our today's experiment number two. Okay, the topics that we are going to cover in this lab, that familiarization with the transmission media and the tools, where we have the coaxial cable, then we have the UTP, that is untwisted pair cable, unshielded twisted pair cable, crimping tool, and then the connectors. So let's start with the first one, the coaxial cable. As we discussed in the transmission media, in deeply about the coaxial cable and the meaning of the cables, but still we start with this. Okay, let's start with the coaxial cable. Coaxial cable or the coax is a type of electrical cable consisting of an inner conductor surrounded by a concentric conducting shield with the two separated by a dielectric. Many coaxial cables also have the protective out shield or a jacket. So what it means, look at the diagram or look at the picture that is shared on your screens. Basically, this is your coaxial cable. Let's start with this. This is a copper wire, the internal wire that is known as the copper wire, which is responsible for transmitting the signals from one end to the other end, and that is covered by the insulation. This is called the insulator, which is going to cover the copper wire. After that, we have the copper mesh or the silver mesh covering is there, and at the last we have the outside insulation, or you can say the plastic jacket is there. Basically, it consists of the four things. Again, I'm repeating this thing. The first one is the copper wire. Then it is covered by the plastic material, the transparent plastic material that is called the insulator. Then we have at the third point, we have the mesh covering is there. And at the last, we have the plastic jacket is there. The best example of the basic example is the cable that is used in your homes in cable TV operators. Either you have the cable connection in your homes or any set-top boxes there. The cable that is used where is similar to the coaxial cable. UTP, that is unshielded twisted pair. UTP stands for the unshielded twisted pair cable, and this is a cable. It is a copper cable that consists of the two unshielded twisted pair surrounded by an outer jacket. They have no metal shield is there. Why the no metal shield is there? Because it is unshielded. If the shielded one is there, then you have the metal shield is outside there. The main covering is covered by the that particular metallic shield. But in this case, we have the unshielded twisted pair cable is there. So as the name implies, the twisted pair. Twisted means it is a combination of two cables that is twist upon each other. As shown in your diagram, we have the two wires that is twisted to each other, and they are responsible for sending the signals from one end to the other end, and that is also covered by the single material. If another metallic shield is there, look at your screens at where the mouse is there. If the metallic shield is at this side, then it is called the shielded. But in our syllabus experiment here, we have the unshielded. Clear? So next, we have the crimping tool. A crimp tools or a crimping tool are a varied collection of the devices used to join the materials or components by pressing them together and creating a seal or a crimp. What it means, whenever we want to crimp two things, like we want to crimp a wires along with some devices, along with some connectors, then we use the crimping tool. Basically, when we want to uncover the main wire, we use the crimping tool. Whenever we want to crimp that wires on a particular device, we require this crimping tool is it. Now look at the diagram or look at the picture that is shown in your screen at this part. The silver blade is there. It is used to cut the wires. And these are the two parts which is used to crimp the wires in the connectors. Clear? And one of the most common use of the crimping tool is the attachment of connectors to the end of the electric cables. So this is all about the crimping tool. The next is connectors, a device that eliminates a series of cabling or implements a state of access for the network device, including the PCs, hub, switches. These are called the connectors. Connectors can be the famous for their physical presentation and mating features, including jacks and the attachments, or the attachment and the ports. So what do you mean by the connectors? Connectors means anything that is used to connect that particular device with the main system. Or the one of the examples are either you are inserting a webcam with your laptop or your PC, we required a connector over there. Suppose you want to add a mouse with your laptop or with your PC, a wired mouse, you required a connector, or you can plug in the charging point with your laptop. It is also similar to the connectors. So this is all about the content that we are going to be covered in today's laptop. Okay, let's start with the first one, that is unshielded twisted pair. Now look at your cameras. This is a twisted pair cable. Twisted pair cable means where the two cables that are twisted with each other. These are the cables and these are the copper wire which is responsible for sending the data from one end to the other end. This is one of the example of the twisted pair cable. Now I have another twisted pair cable is there, but they are the unshielded. Look at here, if a shield or the metal cover is there, if a metal cover is there, then it is called the shielded one. Right now, the no metal covering is there. Only the two wires that is twisted with each other is called the twisted pair cable. I have the one of another example of there. Look at your internet cable. It is also one of the type of the twisted pair cable. Now look at your screens. Only a single jacket is there. One thing that I want to clear: only the single jacket is there. If a jacket, if a shield is there, metallic shield is there between this main jacket and there, then it is become a shielded one. But this is unshielded. Now look at here. Twisted pair means the two wires that are twisted with each other. Now look at the two wires. They are the twisted pair cables. Unshielded twisted pair cable. Unshielded twisted pair cable. Clear? So these are the cables. Now, after the unshielded twisted pair cable, we have another cable, that is coaxial cable. As we discussed earlier, we have the coaxial cable. Now, if you compare your diagram, this cable is similar to your cable TV cable. Like the copper wire is there. Now you have the white covering is there, the plastic. Then the mesh is there, which is used to prevent the outer noise. That is used to prevent the outer noise that is going to be combined with that particular wire, because the signals can be transmitted with the help of this copper wire. And the last, we have the black cover plastic material is there, that is called the outer jacket. This is coaxial cable. Look at the cable. You can also see these cables in your homes. The coaxial cable is a combination of four things. The first is the copper wire. Look at it. The copper wire is there. Then the white part is there. White transparent part, which is preventing the outer signals, along with the mesh covering is there. This mesh covering is covered by all the material. And at the last, the plastic jacket is there. Look at this. This is all about the coaxial cable, or you can say the cox. Now the third is the crimping tool. This is your crimping tool. Now, as we shown in the diagram, first look at this thing. These are the cutters which is used to cut the wire. Now these are the important ones. Straight. These are the important ones, like 8P, 6P, 4P. These are used to crimp the wires in the connectors. For example, I just show you the simple example is there. Look at it. Suppose we have RJ45 cable is there. Whenever we are going to match this cable, basically this is the connector. We can insert into the some pattern. We can make a pattern. We can make a pattern of these wires, insert it into the this one. Then look at here. This is the device which is used to crimp. Now press this. Whenever you press this, what it means, after this, the wires, look at here, the wires are properly inserted into the connector and it is ready. Along with that, again on the second end, you can use again the same connector is there, then your RJ45 cable is ready. So what it means, this crimping tool is used to cut the wires, to make the wires and to crimp the wires into the devices, or devices like the connectors. It is one of the example of the connector. The basic connector is there. This is all about the crimping tool. Now look at this crimping tool very carefully. This is your crimping tool. And last, we have The connectors. The connectors are the easy ones. Connector means anything. Now look at that. This connector means anything that we are going to add or we are going to connect with your system. Like this is the connector that is used to connect the internet cable. Now look at the mouse. If we want to connect a mouse, we have this port along with the USB port. USB port is there. We can simply insert this USB port, that the slot that is available on your systems or available on your laptops. Simply these are called the ports. Either you go with the internet cable, you go with a USB port, or you go with a charging point, or you go with any else, anything else that is going to be connect like here. Or one of the example is like you have I just show you the charging button, charging wire is there. Now look at here. A charging slot is there. We can insert. This is also category of the connector. This is all about the unshielded twisted pair, coaxial cable, crimping tool. Now look at this. This is your crimping tool. Then the connectors are there. Look at the connectors are there. Then we have an example of our twisted pair cable. We have an example of twisted pair cable. Then last we have a coaxial cable. This is your coaxial cable. Or this is all about the today's experiment.